Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today we're gonna be battling an old Prodigy legend. Alrighty, guys, so about 2 years ago, I battled my guy FlameFox Prodigy.
Bruh.
Oh, say less.
And today, I'm gonna be trying to get revenge. Guys, before we start this awesome battle, make sure you do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. You can always unsubscribe later if you want. And guys, make sure you stick around till the end to see who wins this battle, guys. Trust me, I really want my revenge, and if I get it, that would be awesome. But without any further ado, let's get into the battle. Hey guys, so here is FlameFox, Alan Stormsteel. He is level 75, and right now we are gonna battle. How are you feeling? Who do you think is gonna win?
I'm gonna destroy you.
Alright,
just like I did a year ago. He has a lot more health than me.
I do. Oh my gosh, I might actually win.
You could use epic attacks, so
That would be insane.
Yo, that's crazy.
Guys, literally look at his pets. He has the big hex. That is like the rarest epic, right?
Are you sure about that?
it was the first one, so kind
First epic and Magnus Shift. That's crazy.
of. If I get a question wrong.
3,700. Let's see how much you do.
Yes, sir.
Oh my, I'm actually winning. Oh my god.
I think we've lost this battle.
Already? I mean, you never know. You never know. Oh, I have a pretty difficult question.
You stupid.
Yeah, I have grade 1 questions, so
So,
if,
yeah.
if I get any wrong, that's shame on me.
Oh, okay. That you're actually doing. We're literally almost tied. Oh wait, I haven't.
Yeah, boy.
I still have not killed you. Your pets. I know your pets are gonna be good, so you still have a chance.
Maybe. Okay, guys, we gotta hit him hard this time with some fire.
Wrong.
Ignore FlameFox.
Fire? Oh, okay, okay.
You star smash, and my character is
go.
down.
Let's go, baby. Off to a good start.
No.
Okay.
Low health, though. Low health.
I only have 3,000, and your pets are good. I already know.
He's trying to make me feel better. Oh, you.
No, I'm being honest. I don't have any good. Do I have good spells? I don't have any good spells against fire.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
I just have to use my normal spells. Alright, guys, comment down below right now. Who's gonna win this battle? Me or FlameFox? Oh my gosh. That was a lot of damage right there. Okay. Okay, that was almost 5,000. That was a good spell.
Camden is down.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go to my hot pot. Okay. Alrighty, guys,
Alright.
it's time. I'm gonna use Volcanon.
Okay, I'm hitting him hard this one. Wildfire. Now, who has the stronger pet? Mine's higher level, but already had some damage.
Okay.
Oh, this was a burst attack. I didn't even
Oh my-
realize I can actually win this.
Dude, no. My other pet's almost dead. I swear, I actually can't lose this. I would be so embarrassed.
Alright, can I take down his hotspot? Hotspot. I think it's the name with this attack. If I can, that's gonna be huge.
Oh gosh.
Hot pot, not hotspot.
Oh my god. Please don't take me out. Yes. Wait, but if you have an
definitely
area attack, if you get an area
No, I
attack,
don't. Oh, I'm hoping. No, I
you
don't.
have it. No.
Guys, I gotta hope his attack doesn't do much damage, or I am done. I am so
Come on,
done.
baby. Revenge. Come on, baby. Come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Alrighty, guys, it is time for the battle with the consequence. I told you guys at the start of the video, that one of the battles there is going to be a consequence, and what we are going to be doing is the loser has to dress up whatever the other person tells them. So, for example, if I win, I could say, wear a terrible outfit, and if he wins, he can make me change my hair to be bad. We're only battling with our own wizards. Good luck. Man, this is gonna be intense.
Alright, we're going to the battle. I really hope I win, because I really want to screw him over and make him look super ugly. All his videos, you know?
Oh no.
No, guys, I just messed up my question. My brain cells are actually dead. 15 minus 9 equals 7. Okay. No. 4,000 damage.
Oh my gosh.
It's a lot of damage.
You're so close to being dead.
Oh no, guys. 6,000. I don't
Oh
think.
my god, I was trying to record something and I literally ran out of time. Oh no! No!
Yes.
Okay,
I have a chance.
no!
Yes. Let's go.
Guys, I can't lose this, guys. I can't. I just need to get this right.
I am winning this.
Oh my god, alright. Falling Star Smash is the shape. No!
Yo! Did he mess it up? No. There's no way.
Oh my god, I thought it said not aqua. No way! Please miss, please miss, please miss, please. I don't want to look bad. No! Guys, that was the biggest choke. Yes!
No.
Wait. Oh my god. Guys,
I actually have a chance to win this. If I don't get this question wrong, I can probably win. Let's see what happens.
I am the worst player. No! Oh my god. I had... No way you missed it!
No! No! I read the question wrong. Oh my. Guys, I literally got it wrong.
Oh, let's go! Oh my
There's
gosh.
no way.
I thought I choked
Wait.
so
Oh no.
49
Oh.
health. Oh my gosh.
I was so close.
Well, guys, you know what that means. I get to make him look terrible, so are you ready? For 1 week, you are gonna look absolutely terrible.
12 seconds later.
Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.